Are raisins good for you? What are raisins? Raisins are typically dried grapes that have been left in a food dehydrator or in the sun. The shriveled outer portion of these fruits are called raisins. Raisins are commonly used as a salad topping, mixed into oatmeal, in yogurt, in granola or cereal. You may have eaten them as a snack or as a part of a meal, such as in cookies, cakes, and other baked goods. Despite their small size, they are full of nutrients and energy. Although they are high in sugar and calories, eating them in moderation can help keep their health benefits. They can help boost iron levels, keep bones strong, and aid digestion. If you're craving sweets or candy, try adding some raisins to your diet to satisfy your craving. They can provide you with the healthy nutrients and energy you need. The nutrition of raisins. Raisins have various nutritional properties that are worth considering. This video will break down the good and bad aspects of this fruit to help you decide if they are worth consuming. Sugar and calories. 1/2 cup of raisins has about 217 calories and 47 grams of sugar. For reference, a 12-ounce can of soda has about 150 calories and 33 grams of sugar, depending on the brand. Raisins are high in sugar and calories, making them a poor choice for low-calorie or low-sugar snacks. They are also sometimes referred to as nature's candy. The high levels of sugar and calories in dried fruit are typical of this type of fruit. It's important to keep track of how many grams of this snack you're eating in one sitting. Most single-serving boxes of raisins contain around 100 calories. If you're having a hard time controlling your portion size, try purchasing pre-made versions. These are usually cheaper and can help keep your intake in check. For athletes who are looking for a cheap and nutritious alternative to sports gels and chews, look no further than raisins. They can provide them with a quick source of carbohydrates and help improve their performance. A study conducted in 2011 revealed that drinking a small amount of raisins can improve the performance of athletes who are training hard. Fiber. 1/2 cup of raisins has around 3.3 grams of fiber, which is about 10 to 24% of your daily requirement depending on your gender and age. Fiber helps support digestion by increasing the size and weight of your stool, which can help prevent constipation. Having a larger one can also help pass stools easier. High levels of fiber can also help lower cholesterol levels. It can help decrease the levels of a type of cholesterol known as LDL. Iron. Raisins are also a good source of iron, as 1/2 cup of them has around 1.3 milligrams. This is around 7% of the daily recommended amount for women, and 16% for men. Getting enough iron is very important for maintaining a healthy and balanced blood supply, as it helps make red blood cells and carry oxygen to the other organs of the body. Calcium and boron. 1/2 cup of raisins has about 45 milligrams of calcium, which is very important for maintaining a healthy and balanced body. This is around 4% of your daily requirement. Raisins are also a great snack for postmenopausal women as they contain high levels of calcium, which helps prevent osteoporosis, which is a type of bone loss that usually occurs as one gets older. Raisins also contain high levels of boron, which plays a role in maintaining a healthy and balanced body. Boron helps with the absorption of vitamin D and calcium, and it can also treat osteoporosis. Antioxidants. The nutrients found in raisins, such as polyphenols and phenols, are considered to be antioxidants. Phytonutrients are compounds that are naturally occurring and can help promote a healthy and balanced body. Free radicals are harmful to your DNA and cells, and these can lead to diseases such as cancer. Antioxidant compounds help remove these toxins from your bloodstream and prevent damage. Antimicrobial compounds. A 2009 study revealed that certain compounds found in raisins can help promote healthy teeth and prevent cavities. These compounds, which include oleanoic acid, linolenic acid, and linoleic acid, fight the harmful bacteria in your mouth. In other words, eating raisins in place of sugary snack foods can actually keep your smile healthy. How to eat raisins. Raisins can be enjoyed right from the box, or they can be thrown into a variety of dishes. From breakfast to desserts to savory dinners, there are countless possibilities. Here are some ideas on how to incorporate more raisins in your diet. For a healthy take on classic oatmeal raisin cookies, try this flourless version. Raisins add excellent flavor to just about any type of sweet spread. Try making this cinnamon raisin cashew butter if you're in the mood to try something new. If cashews aren't your favorite, you can substitute another nut. Spice up chicken salad with raisins and sweet apples. Contrary to popular belief, granola is easy to make at home. Raisins are always an excellent addition to your standard granola recipe. This recipe for cinnamon raisin granola can also be made vegan or gluten-free. Pumpkin, raisin, and flaxseed muffins are full of healthy fiber. It may seem strange to add raisins to your pasta. This pasta dish from the staff at the Mayo Clinic includes spinach, garbanzo beans, and raisins. It's high in iron, protein, and fiber. Make your own raisins. Want to try making your own raisins? It's simple. 1. Get some grapes. 2. Remove the large stems. 3. Wash them in cool water. 4. Place them on a tray, and set the tray outside on a dry, sunny day. It works best if the tray has holes or cracks for air circulation. 5. Rotate the grapes to ensure even sun exposure. In just 2 or 3 days, you'll have your own raisins. Benefits of raisins. Raisins contain healthy vitamins and minerals. They are also fat-free and cholesterol-free, high in antioxidants, and an excellent source of fiber. Raisins may help you relieve constipation, prevent anemia, build and maintain strong bones, protect your teeth, lower your risk of cancer and heart disease. A small amount of sugar can provide you with a burst of energy, which is why eating raisins is a great addition to a healthy diet. If you have a sweet tooth, try replacing unhealthy snacks with these. Although eating too much dried fruit can be considered unhealthy, it's still important to limit your consumption to a few at a time. Although you shouldn't be afraid to add them to your diet, make sure to limit your daily intake to a handful.